YouTube, and welcome back to the LooseTransistor channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different and not entirely quad related. Eventually we will become quad related, but for now we're just going to be talking about 3D printers. I've always wanted to get into 3D printers, and I finally have the chance to do that now. And I'm a complete novice on this stuff. I have like literally no idea, never really used a 3D printer. I've seen them and that's about it. So I'm not going to pretend to be an expert, and I'm not going to pretend that I'm going to actually teach you guys anything here. But if you're interested in seeing how a novice finds his way through learning a new thing like 3D printing, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll be chronicling some of the things that I try, and maybe in the future I might actually be able to teach you guys a thing or two. But for now, all I have to show you guys today is an unboxing of the 3D printer that I got. So what we got here is a Tevo Tarantula. And I've heard some good things about it. It's come very well recommended by a couple of friends of mine that are local and that have been in 3D printers for a little while. So let's dive in and take a look at what came with the package. So the first thing that actually I'll open up is this awesome package here for the actual, oh, one sec. So the first package that we're going to look at is going to be the filament. And this one here is a 3D Spark filament, apparently Pro Series. It comes in a very, very nice box. Like it feels like something you would get on a razor or something like that. You know, just really, really, really nice, very rigid, nice black box. So let's take a look here and let's open it up. And I'm going to show you guys there. Oh, here we go. Has a nice fit to it. Boom. So inside you get this nice roll of, this is PLA. It comes in a nice level 6 biohazard containment bag that is super vacuum sealed, and just a nice looking spool too. You can take a look here. Let's pull it out of the box. And yeah, nice looking spool, 1 kilogram. This should be able to get me started and get me rolling. So I don't think I'm going to remove the plastic on this thing yet until I set up the printer. So let's take a look at the actual printer, which is the cool part of this whole thing. Pretty big box for the Tevo Tarantula. Looks like a very, very nice sturdy box. There we go. All right, so let's see what came inside of the box. So we got a nice set of instructions here, I believe, on how to set up your printer, which I'm definitely going to need. And apparently this printer also comes with about 2 hours worth of technical support over the phone or over Facebook directly with the people who sold it, so that you can, if you get stuck and something like that, you can check it out. Interesting. So there's a business card with just a bunch of contact information, an after-sales card with, I guess, probably the warranty, and a bit of a catalog with the parts so that we know what came in here. And I guess the assembly instructions, and this is quite the booklet. It's like really nicely produced. It looks like almost like a magazine that you buy in the store. Good production values for sure. And it shows you exactly how to assemble the whole thing step by step. And hopefully it won't be too complicated to do. Looks like there's a lot of steps, but I'm looking forward to it because I literally just love building stuff. So let's take a look at what actually came in the parts for the 3D printer. There. Boom. All right. So it looks like it came with 2 small rolls of PLA for the printer. So there we go. So 2 rolls of PLA and some really ugly, nasty green and purple colors, but whatever. It's just really for you to set it up and, you know, start testing it. It came with all of the nice wires that we're going to need to wire up this whole thing, all of the micro switches so that it knows when it's hitting the limits and all that stuff. So that's good. We got all that here, boom. Let's see what else we got here. I believe these are the wires for the stepper motors, I would imagine. So these are controlling those guys. And what is this? Just like a regular power cord where you plug into your wall. I guess you have to wire it all yourself. So as I said, I didn't expect you to have to do this much building. I'm sure there are other kits out there that are pretty much like get it out of the box and put it on there. But I did want something that I would have some challenge in putting it together. So here's one of the acrylic, I believe, plates that make up some portion of it. I have no idea what. But nicely cut. It looks like a good quality job. Nicely opaque, black. So that's cool. Let's see what came under. Yeah. So that is the heat bed and the USB cable and the feed tube for the filament, I believe. So got that there. And this cool blue USB cable. So let's take a look at the bed. Oh, it'll all come off like this, so that's even better. So this tray comes off. You pull it all down here, over there. And we got a nice bed. I believe this is 200 by 200 millimeter heat bed. And I do have some borosilicate glass on the way to put on top of it so that it's nicely protected and all that. It looks pretty damn nice. I'm very impressed. It has a temperature sensor and everything in there. Yep. And it's just taped right to the middle with some of that Krypton tape. I forget what it's called, but I have some of that stuff here too, and I guess it's kind of necessary when you're dealing with hot stuff. So that is cool. So we have the heat bed right here, put it down there. Now let's see what else came in the box. Oh boy. Now we're getting to the really good stuff. Not that the heat bed isn't good stuff, but let me just tilt the bed here a little bit more so you guys can see a little bit better. Boom. Yeah, okay. So, came with plenty of stuff here. We have something that I don't know what it is. Cool. No idea. Okay, so that thing. It's gonna be interesting to check it out. I'll probably do a build video of this thing too because I just like doing build videos apparently. So we have a bunch of little sections here that I believe form part of the structural integrity of the device. We have some hosing and some parts, so all the little wheels and bearings are all here, all pretty much ready to go. We have a few more bearings over here. Try not to displace them too much, you know. Try to keep them somewhat close. Because I think that these are covering these for a reason, because these parts are probably related to the stuff that's under there, like right there. So a few more, and it all comes in nice little marked packages so you know which tarantula you're dealing with, which parts that you need to use. So it's all right here, and it should be a very interesting build. Let's take a look here at the stepper motors. Ooh, these are made by Tevo themselves, it seems. They look like pretty nice little units. Very cool. So it came with 4 of them, of course. And let's see. Ooh, this is where the magic happens, boys. The nozzle. Very cool. Damn, that is tiny. So this is a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, as I understand. And it has a heat element in there. I should probably get some of that the cotton stuff they put around, you know, to keep the temperature steady and not have it change too much on you. But yeah, we can see the heat element in there and just the extruder nozzle right there. So that is pretty nifty. And since this is not quite a worry-free edition, but it does come with everything you need to set it up, it did come with the actual power supply. So we have the power supply, which is excellent. I don't have to figure it out myself. It's all right here. Power supply. Cool. Very cool. So, I wonder, there's another layer. Let's pull back this layer. Holy crap, look at all that stuff. So all the tools, all the parts, everything that you need to set up the Tevo is pretty much on this first layer. And then on the layer below, it looks like we have all of the struts and all of the electronic controls that are gonna make the printer work. So I'm just gonna pull this all out all at once, boom, just like that. Be a little bit easier to show you guys. So we have the panel, and everything here is like acrylic, so we can just like peel this off and it'll be all nice and transparent. There's a control board on the side, the fan, and all the struts you need to build the structure that is gonna make this thing chooch. So that's basically it, guys. That's basically what comes in the package for the Tevo. So I'm extremely impressed with what came here. There seems like a lot of goodies for me to play around with in the next couple days. And you can look forward to a few more videos on 3D printers. As I discover and learn more about this stuff, I will be posting videos about it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing of the Tevo Tarantula, and please subscribe to the channel because there will be more awesome content coming very soon.